going a bit to the left. It's quite windy today. Get another shot on that. If it goes in the same hole, I'm going to adjust and that will solve the windage problem. It's definitely having an effect. Quite gusty. Yeah. Okay then. Alright, I've done a freeze frame adjustment. Hopefully it'll be a bit better on target. The wind's got on there. Oh, bugger it. That's better. If you can do that easy enough, change your colour of your reticle. This is upholstery. Bloody blowing me around. I'm using the Arken Zulus 5x20 on the Reximex Pretensis and Bisley Magnum pellets. Will certainly do better than a light pellet in this one. Yeah. Averaging about 11.5 foot-pound with these. Zoomed in 12.5 times. And it's at where I was aiming anyway, so not been too well actually since I got back off the holiday. Felt really shitty stomach bug, I think. If you saw the last video, it was the update release of the new firmware that fixed some bugs and added the ammunition data to it. So if you want to know how to do that, find the data for ammunition, just watch the video. Okay, let's move across. Why not? Bit of hold over this one, this range. So it's actually zeroed in for 23, so 19 yards. Pellet's still rising. Five, 7.5, 10, 12.5. So that's more or less what you're going to get with the latest scope, that zoom. which is 3x12. The extra zoom with this gives you 15, 17.5, up to 20. 15. Oh Jesus, I must have had 2 pellets in that. Oh, it's bloody blowing me a table. Now if you're looking for this particular type of Reximex Pretensis in synthetic, Paul Air rifles are advertising them for 350 quid. Which is quite a good saving. Now this particular rifle cost me 350 quid and I got it from Solware, and they've slightly gone up again, so obviously they had a deal on at the time, and Blackpool Air Rifles have also had a deal on. Been in touch with Range Right with other importers, and gave them up with a 350, which is really good. Bloody starter rifle price really, it's a good rifle. They are a classic full-length rifle though, so not for tight spaces. Oh, so you can see what I'm aiming at, but the crow is in the way. There we go. Oh shit. Bloody wind. Literally blew me, that did. Bisley Magnum's come in 500 pellet tins, and I got these from Draper's in Nottingham. There's only £11.99, so it's a lot cheaper than what the H&N Barracuda match are. And you only get 400 pellets in there. Quite the same Thatcher bit, they've got their own dice, but yeah, these are good. Okay, 15 yards. 5 times, 15 yards. Now the rangefinder will work from 10 yards, just 11 yards to 10 metres, something like that. On this particular one, up to 19. Now the weather's been total shit since October. Nothing but rain. Oh my god! So you can see it's a good job I've got these heavy pellets. .65 grain. Okay. About the same distance actually. That's a piece of target there. That's fell in front of Mr. Knacker Cracker. So shoot through the papers to hit the bollocks, basically. Yeah, don't know if the wind's changed or what. That's it. So that's down to 5. The new skirt goes down to 3. I can just about see the holes in my eyesight from here. That's the advantage with 20. You can actually get close up. Make sure it's focused proper. That's best as I can get. we go.